how to get free units in Marvel Rivals. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free units in Marvel Rivals without spending any real money. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first and easiest way to earn units for free is by collecting Chrono tokens. These can be used to purchase items from the Battle Pass. You'll get them by completing missions from the Daily Missions tab and the Challenges tab. Both are available right from the main menu. Whenever you complete one of these missions, the Chrono tokens are automatically added to your account at the end of the match. Another way to get tokens is from the Achievements page. Now once you complete any achievement, make sure to actually click on it to claim the reward. These will give you achievement points, and as you keep collecting them, you'll unlock more overall rewards. And lastly, if you're okay with spending money, you can buy lattice points, which are directly converted into units at a 1-to-1 rate. So yeah, that's how you can earn units both free and paid. I hope this video helped you out. Make sure to hit like, subscribe for more content like this, and that's all for the video.